Hey guys, it's Qoyacooks and I'm back. I know it's been a very long 6 months without me, but I'm back and I'm here to stay. The quarantine tried to take me out. But today I made a keto version of Zuppa soup without potatoes and it tastes delicious. You wouldn't even know that there are no carbs in this meal. Stay tuned for the recipe. We are going to start off with half of an onion. As you can see, I was fumbling with my onion, but she just wanted diced. And then I fried 5 pieces of bacon. I fried my bacon separately, then I removed it from the skillet. And then I fried my onions and I added my hot Italian sausage and my sweet Italian sausage. This is optional. You do not have to use both types of sausage. I love for my soup to be chunky, so I decided to go with 2 packs of sausage instead of 1. While our sausage is cooking, we are going to slice up an entire head of cauliflower. And you want your cauliflower pieces to be a good size. You do not want itty bitty bits and pieces through your soup. After I sliced my cauliflower, I went back to my sausage and I started to break it up. Once your sausage is done cooked, you want to remove it from the grease. You want to keep the grease in this pot. Everything is going to be added to this pot, so you want all those flavors to come together. Here I am adding in chicken broth. I'm adding in 3 large hand cups of kale. And I let my kale cook until I figured it was done or it looked like this. Then what I'm going to do is add in my half and half. Adding in my cauliflower. Then I'll add in my Italian sausage. Here I filled the chicken broth container with water and added that. I added in my Italian sausage. I'm moving the cauliflower, the kale, and the Italian sausage around. And I'm also seasoning with oregano, complete seasoning, and black pepper. So once everything is combined in your pot, you want to turn your stove up to a medium-high heat. Once you see that your soup is cooking, you want to add a lid and reduce the heat. The cauliflower will cook quickly and you just want them tender. You do not want them falling apart. I do not have a cook time. Sorry. I just literally watch my food cook. But I would say like 10 to 15 minutes, let that cook. And then voila, you'll have this amazing keto soup. It's really, 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 really good, guys. And I top mine off with Parmesan cheese and red pepper flakes. So if you try my recipe, let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section or tagging me on Instagram at Qoyacooks. And if this is your first time here, please like, and if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time, bye guys.